There is a secret hidden in the 2026 Apple lineup. If you look at the Pro models, you see the power. If you look at the Air, you see the balance. But if you look at the 12th generation iPad, the budget iPad, you see something else entirely. You see a trap. For years, Apple has kept its entry-level tablet just a little bit behind the curve. They gave it older chips, less RAM, and kept the premium features locked behind a $1,000 paywall. But something changed this year. Something shifted in the halls of Apple Park. They realized that the world doesn't just want a tablet anymore. The world wants an AI companion. And to give you that, Apple had to do the unthinkable. They had to make their cheapest iPad actually powerful. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we are going deeper than a simple spec sheet. We are exploring the iPad 12th generation, a device that is currently causing a massive internal debate at Apple. Why? Because for $349, this tablet is now doing things that the iPad Pro did just 2 years ago. We are going to talk about the A17 chip, the death of the 8GB RAM floor, and the mysterious N1 wireless chip that no one is talking about. But most importantly, we are going to talk about the Apple Intelligence Wall. If you are sitting there with an iPad 10 or 11, or if you're thinking about buying a tablet for school or work in 2026, you need to listen to every word of this. Because the iPad 12 isn't just a product, it's a pivot. It's the moment Apple decided to kill the budget category and replace it with a gateway to the future. And that gateway, it has a very specific price. Let's talk about the A18 factor. In previous years, the base iPad would get a chip that was 2 or 3 generations old. It was a way to save money. But in 2026, Apple can't do that anymore. Why? Because of the neural minimum. To run the new local on-device Siri, the one that actually understands your context, your emails, and your life, you need a specific level of TOPS, trillions of operations per second. The old chips can't do it. So Apple was forced to put the A18, the same silicon heart found in the iPhone 16, into this budget frame. This is a massive jump. We are talking about a 40% increase in CPU speed and a doubling of the machine learning capabilities compared to the previous model. For the first time ever, the cheap iPad doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like a powerhouse. But speed is only half the story. The real controversy is the RAM. For the last decade, Apple has been stingy with memory. But the iPad 12th Gen has finally moved to 8GB of unified memory. To the average user, that sounds like a small number. But in the world of iPad OS, 8GB is the golden key. It is the minimum requirement for Apple Intelligence to function without crashing. By putting 8GB of RAM in a $349 device, Apple has effectively admitted that their older devices are now obsolete. They are drawing a line in the sand. On one side, you have the legacy iPads. On the other, you have the AI iPads. The 12th Gen is the most affordable way to cross that line. It's a brilliant marketing move, but it's also a calculated risk. If the base iPad is this good, why would anyone buy the iPad Air? Let's look at the design, because this is where Apple is still playing the segmentation game. At first glance, the iPad 12